Hey everyone, so today we'll be learning how to do the Lewis dot structure for sulfur dichloride. And so the formula for sulfur dichloride would be SCl2. So now we got to figure out how many valence electron each element has. So when we look in the periodic table, we see that sulfur has 6 electrons, and chlorine has 7. You gotta remember that there's 2 chlorine. So we're gonna multiply it by 2. So when you do that, 7 times 2 is 14, plus the 6 from sulfur. It'll give you a total of 20 valence electrons. So now, how we draw this up will be, we'll put sulfur in the middle, and we have, since we have 2 chlorines, we'll put them next to sulfur. So since we have 20 total, we have 7 for chlorine, so we'll use a different color. We'll start putting electrons on chlorine. 2, 4, 6, 7, since chlorine has 7 valence electrons. Then we'll do it the same for the other side. 6, 7. And now that we see that sulfur has 6, we will give 6 electrons to sulfur. Now, you want to see if they all add up to 20, and by the octet rule, you want to make sure that every element has 8 electrons. So as we count them up, circle them. This chlorine, count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that one's good. The other chlorine, circle them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then lastly, we'll do sulfur that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And since they bond together, sulfur bonds with chlorine, you count that extra electron as the 8. So in total, we count them all up: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. At the end, you have 20 valence electrons. And that's how you draw your Lewis structure for sulfur dichloride. So the final product for this Lewis structure should look like this. So we have sulfur in the middle, bonded with chlorine on each side. Chlorine has 7 electrons. So does the other chlorine. And then sulfur has 6. You put 6. And you have a total of 20 valence electrons, and that's how you will complete your Lewis structure.